Hi, it's me again with Corel Drill Tips and Tricks. Little video on how to make a rainbow colored twisted ribbon. Get your 2-point line and just draw you a line. And then get your, under the shadow tool, you should have the distort tool. Go up and hit zipper. Then click on your line and just kind of move your angle down. I'm not going to have as many on this one, so the video won't take so long. So I'm just going to do those three, and you can change the angle. But then we want to go right here and go to smooth distortion. And that's what it does. It kind of smooths out your distortion. I'm going to smooth it a little bit more. You actually have to go now, go up to object and convert it to a curve, or get the pick tool to work. I don't like that. That curve's just too much for me. Then you can make them as thick or thin as you like. I am going to Control D and make a duplicate and just move this guy down just a little bit and at an angle. And then I'm going to Control D, Control D. Then immediately what I would do first is take your 2-point line, and these should all be in line, because if you Control D'd them, they shouldn't have moved. So get the 2-point line, and well, matter of fact, this one's a little bit already done. So then you just kind of figure this one, I don't think it's going to be as neat as the first one. This one needs to be wrapping around, so we're going to take the virtual segment delete key and delete these lines. And this is a good, maybe on the next one we'll use the Alt key, which is a good, well, I really got that twisted. So I'm going to use the Alt key this time. Whoop. I wasn't looking at the keyboard. Alt key. And what the Alt key does, it just kind of helps you draw a line. Not really necessary when you just have a couple, but when you have a lot. So now, well, I really got this thing twisted more than I would have thought. But maybe it'll look pretty cool. So just delete all your lines and then start. You have to pretty much use the Smart Fill tool to fill in the 4 colors. And then you can take, once that's done, you can change the colors of each line. So I'm going to actually go in order: blue, green, and red. Well, yellow. Let's do yellow. So the other one I had more colors. And then just kind of make sure it's all in view. And using your Smart Fill tool, you have to fill these in. So the outside one is blue, so we need to make the inside one the dark blue. We need to make the next one the green. We need to make the next one the yellow. Whoop, yellow. Just a couple more and you'll get the idea of what it's going to look like. You need to be able to see your colors up top. So the outside is actually going to be blue again, and the inner one is going to be the dark blue. The next one is going to be the green, and the next one's going to be the yellow. I really twisted this one more than it looks pretty cool though. And then just do the same thing, because you can't, this is not a shape, so you can't just pick it and go red. It's not going to work. You actually have to give it a fill first. So with your Smart Fill tool, just fill in those 4 spots. And I think one of them leaked. And it's amazing, sometimes you can go back and look, it didn't leak that time. So the outside's yellow, or that one's the dark blue. This is the green, and this is the yellow. And then I would take away your line by right-clicking no outline. You could leave the line. I think it looked, yeah, maybe it looks better with the line. I would make the line black maybe, and then make it, well, it is a hairline. I just got it too small. But that is pretty cool, and it's really, I like my first one better, but you get the idea, and you could have as many as you want. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.